This is J.R. Arnold here at the Clyde Austin 4-H Center, and today I'm in the physics room. We use this sometimes in summer camp, and we use it a lot in our Camp Explorer program. We come in here and we learn about physics. Now, in order to understand the world you live in, you have to understand some physics, and physics does not have to be one of those things that's scary. Physics can be a lot of fun, okay? And today, we're going to concentrate on pendulums for a moment. And I like pendulums. Pendulums are one of those things that if you can understand them, you can actually predict their movements. We know what they're going to do. This is a pendulum. All right? It's basically just an arm with a bob on the bottom. When I pick this pendulum up, potential energy, the amount of energy stored in it through gravity is increased, and kinetic energy is decreased. On its way down, kinetic energy is increased as it speeds up, and the potential energy is decreased. When we pick up this pendulum, there's two forces acting on it. Number one, we have gravity wanting to pull it straight down to the ground. We also have the tension force of the arm. The arm is pulling in this direction. We say it exerts a centripetal force on the ball. Basically, that's saying the ball can't fall in a straight line. It's going to have to follow a different path. Since it's pulling in this direction as gravity's pulling down, when I release it, the pendulum goes back and forth in an arc. Okay? The shorter the string, the shorter distance it travels, the faster the pendulum goes. The longer the string, the slower the pendulum moves. Now, because we understand pendulums, we can predict their movements, like I said before, and this is a wave pendulum. This is one of the first things I built when I got this room, and this is actually 15 pendulums in a row. Okay, you can see it from the side. You see that they decrease in length of the strings as they go back on the pendulum. The first one is timed to come back to my hand at 51 times a minute. So we say it has 51 oscillations per minute. The next one is timed for 52, then 53, all the way up to 65 times a minute. So each pendulum is going to move a little bit faster than the one in front of it. So when I get this thing going, we know exactly what they're going to do. At one point, you'll see all of the yellow balls line up with each other, the green, the orange, the blue. They'll all line up with each other as they catch up to each other. So that was gravity at work right there. Watch this. Right here, all the colors separate out on their own. And when we watch it for a few more minutes, you'll see all the yellow and blue bobs go to one side, and the orange and green bobs go to the other side. Right there. And they follow this pattern no matter how many times we do this. So come to camp. I can't wait to see you. We'll come in here. We'll learn about some things about our world. And see you at camp.